In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the wiper blades on this Toyota Tacoma. Both of the blades are a 17-inch size, so let's get started. Lift up the wiper arm just a little bit off of the windshield. In my particular case, on the old wiper blades, I have this little tab that flips up. You may not have this. You may have a tab on the back that you have to press. It just depends on the style that you have. For me, once I flip this up, I can bring the wiper blade down and off of the wiper arm. At this point, this is metal. You do not want to let this go. It'll hit the windshield and crack it. So either put a towel down or hold it the entire time, and definitely do not leave the wiper arm all the way up. Having said that, grab your new wiper blade as soon as you can, pull it into its spot here, into the hook. It should click in place and should not let go easily. Before you put the wiper blade down on the windshield, the wiper blade will have two little caps, one on each end. Sometimes it also has a plastic sheathing that goes along the entire thing. You'll have to remove that. This is just for packaging. And now you'd want to do the same to the other wiper.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.